And now making these substitutions here. The dx is du over 3. 64, of course, is 8 squared. 8 squared minus u is 3x, u squared. And I look at my formulas, and I see that this appears to be inverse tang. And of course, the 1/3 comes outside. Then I have inverse tang of u over 8. U is 3x, so this is 3x over 8. And with inverse tang, there's also 1 over a out front, so that's an additional 1 over 8 that's out here. One more example of this type. Integral dx over square root 8x squared minus 9. And look at that one, and again, what do I see? I see something that's in the form of u squared minus a squared under square root. Again, looking at the 4 inverse hyperbolic formulas that I have, that appears to be inverse cosh. I need to get it in the right form, so I go ahead and I say, well, I would like this 8x squared. I wish that was just u squared. I would like that 9 is a squared. Tells me a is 3, and tells me that u is x times the square root of 8. We could say that's 2 radical 2x as well. Doesn't really matter for purposes here which one of those we do. Now, what do we need? Of course, as usual, we need to do du dx. And du dx is just square root of 8. Therefore, dx is du over square root of 8. Go through, once again, making the substitutions I need to make. I've got du over the square root of 8. In addition to that, that's just a constant, I have a square root of u squared minus 3 squared. And the 1 over radical 8 comes outside the integration. And I now have a form which fits inverse cosh, and u over 3 would be the argument. And in the case of both inverse cosh and inverse sinh, as well as with inverse sine, there's no 1 over a out in front of here. All of the other ones have both a u over a and a 1 over a when there's a squared and u squared, but not cosh and sinh and sine. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to look, that takes care of section 7.8 in the book. We need to take a test. First, I'm going to post some worksheets as well. I'll get those worksheets for you to work on. I'll address questions that you have with those worksheets, and then we will have a test which will be over L'Hopital's rule. And it will be over the inverse trig and inverse hyperbolic trig and all those integrations, etc. That will be, I'll have a question and answer session at some point built in here too before I distribute your test to you. So anyway, that wraps up that section. Thank you.